Okay, so both of those clips you just watched, I made them this morning, same model, 3.0, Alibaba's new one. 15 seconds each, 1080p, and the sound you're hearing came out of the Model 2. I didn't add that, and I paid nothing for them. So let me show you exactly how, because this door closes on the 30th of August. So normally, 3.0 is API only. You pay per second of video, 5 cents at 480p, 10 cents at 720p, 20 cents at 1080p. So the 15-second clip I just showed you at 1080p, that is $3. One clip every time you hit generate. And before you ask, no, you cannot download it, I checked. Hugging Face gives a 401, GitHub gives a 404. Search Hugging Face for 3.0 and you get 0 models. So this is a rented model. You get access, you don't get the weights. So that's the paid door. Now the free one. 3 things. Where it is, what you get, and then I built a clip with it start to finish. So this is it, Future in Motion. It's a global AI video hackathon. It's Alibaba's models and it runs on a tool called MotionMux. And look at the line on the page. Alibaba's newest video models, including 3.0 in their hands. That's the bit that matters. $10,300 in prizes, 3 open tracks, and it runs from the 17th to the 30th of August. And I'm recording this on the 26th. So if you're watching this the day it goes up, you have about 4 days. After that, registration is shut. So step 1, go to motionmokeys.com/contest and hit register. You just make a normal account here, email and a password. Step 2 is the creator application. It asks about your practice and which track you're entering. I picked UGC, takes about a minute. And step 3, you get approved. Mine came back approved straight away, same minute. And this is the line you want. Approved applications automatically receive 5,000 credits, not a trial, not a discount, 5,000 credits sitting in the account. They do expire though. Mine say the 25th of September. So it's a month, not forever. And then there's one extra step that's worth doing. Share your work for 1,000 extra credits. You download their poster, copy their text, post it anywhere. So that's 6,000 credits total for about 5 minutes of work. Now let's see what 6,000 credits actually buys you. So watch the number in the top bar here right now. It says 5,000. I generate 115-second clip at 1080p and it drops to 4,775. So that's 225 credits. I do it again. It goes to 4,325, 225 again. So the number is consistent. So 5,000 credits divided by 225 is about 22 clips, 22 15-second 1080p videos. And those same 22 clips on the API would be $66. That's the whole pitch. $66 of 3.0 for filling in a form. Right? So this is the tool. It's a canvas. You double click anywhere and it gives you nodes, story script, character, first frame image, audio to video. So what I've done is I've dropped a photo onto the canvas, just a normal photo, one image, nothing special about it. And then you drag from the photo to a video node and that connects them. So the photo becomes the reference for the video. And here you pick what the photo is for. Character reference, first frame, last frame. I'm using character reference so it keeps the same face. And this is the line I actually care about. 3.0 video, dash scope direct. So that is genuinely the model running here, not a wrapper around something older. Next to it 1080p and 15 seconds. And if you open the duration, it goes from 2 seconds all the way to 30. And there's a generate audio toggle right there. That's why those clips had sound. And there's a watermark toggle next to it. So the prompt I gave it was this. An emotional scene where the actress hunts for her daughter in the wood, faces Black Soul's adversaries and defeats them to get her daughter back. And then you just hit generate. That's it. One photo, one sentence. Now this is the part nobody shows you. It is not instant. This is running at 8 times speed and it still takes a while. 7.5 minutes for 1 15-second clip. So plan for that. You're not going to iterate quickly on this and then it just appears on the canvas. So let's go and watch the whole thing. So that's the full 15 seconds straight out of the model, nothing cut. And the thing to look at is the face, that is the same woman from the photo I uploaded, held across the whole 15 seconds. So then I swapped the image for a completely different one and gave it a completely different prompt. A hitman fight scene with red suits villains. Same weight, same 8 times speed, and here's what came back. Rain, cars, a proper fight, and the audio again. For 225 credits. Right? So the honest part, this is access, not ownership. You still can download WAN 3.0. When the credits run out, that's it. It is also a contest, so you're expected to actually submit something. It's not just a free credits button. And the output isn't 16:9. Mine came out 4:3-ish. So if you want widescreen, you're cropping, or you're picking a different aspect at the start. And 7 minutes a clip is slow. So with 6,000 credits, you've got maybe 26 goes. Think about your prompt before you spend one. So if you wanted to try WAN 3.0 and you didn't want to put a card in, this is the window. motionmux.com/contest. Register, apply, share the poster. And the model you can actually download is still WAN 2.2. So next up, I'm going to rent a card and run that one properly end to end. Every link and every number is in the description. Go and do it before the 30th. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.